guys and welcome to NASA Tutorials. So in this video lecture we are going to see that how coronavirus damages your lungs and causes pneumonia, as well as we'll also see that why temperature rises in the coronavirus. Okay, so let's see. So what happens that when coronavirus enters inside a person, its primary infection source is what? Your throat. Inside your throat it lives for 1 to 3 days, and what it will do that it will your throat will start paining slowly and slowly, and because of this what will happen, you will start coughing, and due to this coughing this coronavirus will go down and down into your respiratory tract through your trachea, and from your trachea it will go into your bronchi, then bronchioles, and at last it will enter inside your lungs, and inside your lungs there are some sac like structure which are known as the alveolus, and this coronavirus will enter inside this alveolus. Okay, so now these are the alveolus. Now these alveoli consist of some cells known as the pneumocytes. Okay, these are normally called as the lung cells, but these lung cells are nothing but the pneumocyte present in the alveoli. These pneumocytes are of two type, type 1 and type 2. Okay, so this type 1 is responsible for the exchange of the gases, whereas type 2 is known as the surfactant, which lowers the surface tension of these alveoli. Okay, so now when the coronavirus starts damaging these cells, okay, so if you want to know that how coronavirus damages the cell, I have made a video on how it damages or enter inside your cell. You can go for it. Okay, so now when it enter inside your alveolus, it starts damaging to your alveolar cells. As this alveolar cell gets damaged, due to this damage they show an inflammatory response, due to which an inflammation starts spreading inside your alveoli. It starts spreading inside the alveolus, as well as the blood vessels which are surrounding the alveoli also get inflamed. Due to this inflammation, what happens that the blood present inside the blood vessels starts leaking. Sorry, not the blood, the fluid present inside the alveolus start leaking, mostly the plasma. Okay, so now this plasma, as it start leaking, it get filled inside the interstitial spaces on the surrounding of the alveolus. So the fluid start filling in the interstitial spaces of the alveolus, as well as the fluid also start filling inside the alveolus. So this is how the fluid start filling inside the alveoli. So now as slowly the coronavirus damages all the cells of your alveolus, there are up to 600 million of alveoli. So this is how the fluid start filling slowly inside your lungs, and this is how the lungs are filled with all the fluids, and this is nothing but the pneumonia. The main symptom of the pneumonia is what? Your lungs are filled with all the fluid. So the fluid is nothing but it was your own blood plasma which get filled inside your alveolus, and this is how your lungs get filled with the fluid. So this is how the pneumonia causes. But how the temperature rises? So now because of this inflammation, what happens that the blood vessel starts the blood starts secreting some immune cells. The macrophages present inside the blood start secreting some immune cells. So now what happens via the blood, these immune cells, your immune cells enter inside your brain. From brain it enter inside your central nervous system. From central nervous system it enter inside your hypothalamus. This hypothalamus is the center for your thermostat. But what this immune cells such as your cytokines do, this cytokine reset this thermostat, and due to which what happens, slowly the body temperature starts elevating, and which leads to nothing but the fever. So this is how the pneumonia causes, and this is how the fever causes. Okay, so thank you so much. Please like, subscribe and share my channel.